Hey everyone, it's Gadget Girl here. Welcome to my channel. I post videos all about technology, gadgets, coding, and more. In this video, I will be discussing how to build an HTML website. So this video will be the first part of a series that I will be doing. The first step is to find an integrated development environment, or IDE for short. The IDE I use is called Brackets. I included the link in the description box below. The neat part about Brackets is that it allows you to see real-time changes you make. In the editor, it also highlights the section of the page when you hover over the code. There are several IDEs out there, so if you did a Google search, you could find some other great articles explaining what options are out there. Next, you will need to understand the code, so you could go about this several different ways. First, you could go to your local library and get a book. Usually they have a digital platform with tons of books online. Next, you could watch a YouTube video. There are several videos with some great explanations and tips. You could go to several different websites that will teach you the concepts and you can see the results instantly. A few of my favorites are W3 Schools, Khan Academy, and Stack Overflow. All of the resources I just mentioned can help you a lot when you're trying to learn how to code. You can commit time out of your schedule to learn each day or each week by following along and using those concepts. There's so many different ways to learn how to code. For me, I learned the basics by taking a college class, but for the most part, I learned on my own. The best advice I could really give anyone is just to use those concepts, to follow along with the video you watch or the article you read, and just plug those lines of code into your IDE. It may seem daunting to learn a new programming language, but over time, if you commit to learning different topics, you will become a pro. Practice, as they say, makes perfect, but it also makes permanent. So by practicing, you can reference lines of code from memory rather from a book or an article that you read, and you'll become much more efficient when coding. Once I started practicing and trying the different concepts out, I was able to see how the different puzzle pieces started to fit together, and I learned so much. As I was learning, I was searching and Googling so much because I wanted to understand how different pieces work together, and through different resources like Stack Overflow that helped me to see that. Stack Overflow is a great resource because you can search any problem that you come across, and an article will likely be available on that topic. You can look through the forum and see what people's answers are. Then you can compare and contrast the problem you have with their example. Remember, as you're learning, you may come across roadblocks, but don't be discouraged. You can do this. If you want to learn HTML, you absolutely can. Remember, get a good IDE like Brackets and learn. Learn from a book or a video different concepts. But most importantly, stay positive and don't be frustrated about your progress. Take it one step at a time and never give up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you're new to HTML and just getting started, leave a comment below and I'd love to hear your stories. See you next time.